Hi friends, today I would like to show you how to grow the Dracena plants. But before I grow the Dracena plant for you for watching, I would like to introduce about myself to you. Yes, good morning from Cambodia. I am a teacher. My name is Putty. I am a Cambodian people. Yes, beside of my teaching, I grow some vegetables, some flowers, and some plants for you for watching for channel YouTube Dana Plant. Yes, everyone, thank you for your watching, and please help me to subscribe Dana Plant YouTube channel to make me create or do some more original video for you to watching. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, Lara, I will show you how to grow the Dracena in water with betta fish. Yes, you know all of these betta fish. Yes. Okay, I have a colorful of gravel rocks, and you can see. And also I have gravel rocks, many color also. Yes. And this is the water that I can spray when I plant. Okay. This is a glass of drinking water. Yes, glass of drinking water. And the last one is the glass vase. Yes, the glass vase that I will see you how to grow the Dracena in the water with betta fish, with rock. A lot of everyone, all of this material I will use when I grow the Dracena that you will see Lara. Okay, please watching for my process, for my sowing that I will plant Dracena in the water for you. Okay, everyone, please watching all. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Yes. Okay. Yes, you will see. Yes. Okay, everyone. Let's start with me. Yes, thank you.